Good afternoon, class. Go ahead and take out your bell ringer sheet. You guys have about 3 minutes to complete the bell ringer on the board. Take out your packets and tear out pages 26, 27, 28 very carefully. Make sure your name is on the top page. And can a student please go around and staple any loose leaf paper? You guys have 3 minutes to complete the bell ringer and to take out pages 26, 27, and 28 and turn it in for a grade. If you're not complete with page 26, 27, and 28, I want you to go ahead and turn it in on Thursday. You will lose some points, but you won't lose all the points. So we have about 30 seconds left. If you haven't thought about the bell ringer yet, you need to make sure the question is down and you've organized the elements in order of decreasing size. Remember the trick for increasing, decreasing. All right, that's time. I know there's cups on your tables, but if you could please stop messing with them right now. It's kind of messing with my sound, and also I want ninth period not to mess with them as well. Okay, so right now you should have organized the elements in order of decreasing size. Remember, if it's decreasing, it's going from big to small. So you should have written that on your sheet. I've never seen a student write that on their sheet and get it wrong. So make sure that you are writing that every single time because it'll help you keep it straight in your mind while you're trying to organize these things. The smallest element on the periodic table is helium, which is in the top right corner of the periodic table. So the closer you are to helium, the smaller your size. Neon is right next to helium. So that's going to be our smallest element, and it's going to go on the right side. Our largest element is the one furthest away from helium. In this case, it's sulfur. So sulfur is the one furthest away from helium. As you work your way from sulfur to oxygen to fluorine to neon, that is the order that should be in order of decreasing size. Because sulfur is far from helium, it's the largest, and neon is close to helium, it's the smallest. The other two are in the middle. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds. I need you to take out your packets and turn to page 44. All right, you should be looking at a POGIL activity on Coulombic forces. Coulombic forces are something I used to teach, like with PowerPoints and guided notes and all that stuff. But now what I'd rather do is do a POGIL activity where you guys discuss and talk your way through Coulombic forces. Coulombic forces are what explain the different trends that we're seeing in the periodic table. So it's a very good thing to understand and reference when you're writing about these things. The last 20 minutes of class, we're going to go over electronegativity, and we're going to make a small foldable for your, so that you'll remember. Our schedule for the next couple weeks is kind of weird. We don't have class tomorrow. We do have class on Thursday, but it's a short day. And then we have 3-day weekend, so we have a little extra time to kind of forget this stuff. So hopefully our foldable will help us remember that. There's no homework tonight. Make sure you get some rest for STAR tomorrow. During this activity, you'll see 4 different cups on your table. The green cup is to signal that everything is fine. The yellow cup is that you're looking for questions. And the red cup is, I'm completely stuck. I need help immediately. Please do not mess with the cups unless you actually need some help, so that the teacher in the room, either myself or Miss Lewis, can help you if you do need help. The orange cup is to put your pencils in. And you guys have done this before, where you keep your pencils in the orange cup as you talk through each question in the activity. I also want you rotating handouts so that everybody in the group will be involved during this time. Some of you might get through 1 page, 2 page, or 3 pages of this material, but either way, I want you working together as a group. Every page that you complete, myself or Miss Lewis will walk around and give you a sticker. The stickers are multiple varieties. Some of them are scratch and sniff. Some of them are hilarious animal puns. It depends on the sticker, okay? So hopefully that motivates you a little bit. For 9th period, I'll have answer keys for you. For 6th period right now, obviously, I'll be walking around helping you through the activity. All right, so I expect you to be working together and working through this activity independently. In about 20 minutes, we'll come back together and we'll talk about electronegativity, and we'll fill in our notes and create a foldable. All right.